It's estimated that over 27% of the websites on the internet are currently running this thing called WordPress. So what does that mean to you? Well, if you're thinking about becoming a web designer, or you're worried that maybe your boss is going to ask you to update your website because you're the office administrator or the communications expert in your organization, or you're just thinking of building a website for your own business, this has become a necessary business skill. If you went out of your way to learn how to type, that was probably a good idea because computers, right? But WordPress has become so ubiquitous that you absolutely have to understand it. So buckle up, get ready, and we're going to go through the building of a WordPress site so that you understand what goes into it and you understand the fundamentals. And I'm going to make it dead simple for you, and you can watch these videos over and over and over again and be the envy of all your friends. So let's get cracking. Okay, so we're walking through the opening setup of WordPress. And the first thing that WordPress asks you to decide on is your language. So we're going to pick English. And our site title. Now this is all changeable later on, so you don't have to freeze up and concern yourself about how this is being organized right now. So WordPress tutorials and must-have skills. I always pick the username admin by default, and I'm going to hide my password and type in my typical high-strength password, which WordPress feels is a medium password, but I can live with that. We want to put in your email so that if you need to reset your password because you forgot it, WordPress knows where to send the password reset message. And discourage search engines from indexing this site. I always leave this unchecked, even if this is going to be a development project, because sometimes it's easy to forget to uncheck this later on down the road when you're doing your launch. What I will do to discourage search engines from indexing while I'm in development is I will put a password protection plugin on the website while I'm working on it, and I'll show you how to do that in one of the next lessons. So now we click Install WordPress, and that's it. Pretty easy. So now we can log into our dashboard and get cracking.